Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Genta Sentosa. I'm from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering, and my name is 123490009. And now I'm going to continue my schematic PCB in the previous video. In the previous video, it was my old schematic. So in the schematic, I have updated my schematic. So this is the new schematic. It's the same structure, but I add more component like WS and 5-volt regulator. So that's it. So this is the new schematic that I have updated to make my PCB work properly. Okay, I think that's just an info about my new schematic. And then I'm going to show you how to root PCB. In my PCB editor, I have placed some components to minimum the time of this video, because if it's too long, it'll be uh, hard to upload in YouTube. So I add some component to minimize the time. Okay, so to root the PCB, we add the components, and then to the first one is, I'll start with the barrel jack. The barrel jack and the USB-B, I place it in the edge of the PCB because it is used to uh, it's like connector, so we cannot put it in the middle because it will hard to connect the PCB. So we put it in the edge of the PCB, and then we add some components. So to arrange the components, we look at the schematic and we look the component that connect each other like this. This is CH340C. It's connect to capacitor, so we put the capacitor near the CH340C, just like that. So now I'm going to continue my routing, so and watch it. This is switch. We will switch connect to the capacitor and a resistor, and it connect to the ESP. So we're going to put the switch near the ESP. So we're going to put it here, I think. Okay, or here. I think I'm going to put it here. Yes. And then we look back to the schematic. There is a capacitor here, so we click the capacitor and we click the PCB editor. It will show where is the capacitor. So we click the capacitor and place it to near the switch. Okay, place it near to the switch like this. And I will put it in the back to make more space in here. So I will click F to move it in the back, and then we continue to there is a resistor here, so we click the resistor and we go back to PCB editor and we put it near to the capacitor, so we put it in here, I think. Yeah, and I will put it in the back too. And then that's for the switch. And then that's next we go to this. This is capacitor. We click it, we move to PCB editor, and we drag the capacitor. It connect to the ESP and the capacitor. Okay, so I will place the capacitor near the ESP. I think I will put it here. Okay, I will put it here. Maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, I think I will put it here. And then there are two capacitor here. We're going to place it near the elco capacitor. So we click it and we put it near the elco capacitor. Okay, I think. Okay. And then the other capacitor. Okay. I will put it here. Okay. I will press F to move it to the back of the PCB. So in this PCB, there are two layers, in front and in the back. And then we continue to, maybe we are going to continue to WS. I will click WS. And then I will put it, maybe I will put it here. Okay. I will put the WS here. Yeah, I think I will put it here. And then we can see their capacitor and resistor here. So we click the capacitor or the resistor, and it will show you in the PCB editor, and we just put it or place it near the WS like this. Maybe I will put it in the back too. Yes, like this. Click R to rotate the component, and then we search for the resistor. We place it near the WS. The resistor connect to the WS and the 3 volt. Okay, I will put it here. And I will put it in the back too. Okay, let's continue. And then we have, what else we have? Maybe we will check in the PCB editor. There are some connectors left and capacitor, so we will place it one by one. We'll start from this capacitor, connector. We click it and we change to schematic, and you can see this is a I2C and serial port. So it connect to IO3 and IO3 port. So it is on the right side of the ESP. So I will place it on the right side because it's near and it don't go too far. So I will place it here, and then we continue to the next. This GST. This is a UART port. So this is IO16 and 17. IO16 and 17, we will check in the ESP 16 and 17. So because it plays like it's in the left, so we will put the connector on the left. Maybe I will put it a little bit down. Okay, next we have this connector, we check which is this is the connector for the flame sensor. It's on the out and A out. The out and A out is in the left side of the ASP, so we will move it to the left side of the PCB. Yes, I think like that. Okay. Don't forget to make space in the edge of this PCB, each edge, because there will be mounting hole. And then you continue to the next connector. Gas sensor. This is M key 2. Okay. Gas sensor is in the left side too. So we will put the connector on the left side. Okay, let's continue. I think I will put it here. Okay. Maybe I will arrange it because to make it more spaceable. Okay. Okay, next what is this? This is the this is the 1x2 pin. So it connect to the okay, because it connect to the ASP on the boot, so we will put it maybe on the top, maybe top, like here. Yes, yes, I think it's the right place. I will put it here. And then we continue to the next connector. Maybe this we will check in the schematic. This is the servo, and then signal on the left side of the ASP. So we put it on the left side. I will put it here. Maybe I will move it a little bit down because to make it more space for this connector. Okay, done. And then we continue to the next connector. Exit switch. For the exit switch, maybe I will place it later. I will focus to the connector GST first. And then this is near the barrel jack. So I will put it near the barrel jack. Maybe I will put it here. And then I move it a little bit so it can fit. Okay, so I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's enough. And then for the last connector, what is this? This is the buzzer connector. Pin IO. The pin is IO. In out. So in the in out in the left side of the ASP. Wait. I think RXTX. So for the RXTX, I think for this I will place it to the right side, even though the pin is on the left side of the PCB, but it's fine. I think it's fine because there is no more space in here, so I will put it here. Okay. Okay. I think I will arrange the component to be more specific. I think I will put it in here maybe, or just here. Maybe I think just put it in here. and then there's this is for the buzzer connector. I think for the UART port, I will put it on the right side because there's too much on the left side. So I will put it here. And for the buzzer, I will put it. Okay. So the external port is on the right side of the PCB, and the sensor and actuator connector is on the left side of the PCB. So I think and then we